This Java program finds the most frequent element in an array. If multiple elements have the same highest frequency, it returns the maximum element among them. Let's understand step by step. First, we import the util package to use HashMap, which helps us store elements and their frequencies. We create a class named solution. Inside it, we define a method called mostFrequencyLE that takes an integer array as input. Inside this method, we create a hashmap called map. This will store each number as a key and its frequency as the value. We also define two variables: max frequency to store the highest frequency found so far, and ANS to store the final answer. We initialize ANS with the smallest possible integer value. Now we loop through each element of the array using a for each loop. For every number, we calculate its frequency using map.getOrDefault. If the number is not already in the map, it returns 0, so we add 1. Then we update the map with this new frequency. Next, we compare this frequency with max frequency. If the current frequency is greater than max frequency, we update max frequency and set ANS to the current number. If the frequency is equal to max frequency, we choose the maximum between the current answer and the current number. This ensures that in case of a tie, we return the larger element. After the loop ends, we return ANS as the result. Now, in the main class, we define a hard-coded array with values 3, 0, 0, 3, and 8. We create an object of the solution class and call the mostFrequencyLE method, passing the array. Finally, we print the result. For this example, both 0 and 3 appear twice, but since 3 is larger, the output is 3. This approach runs in linear time, which is O of n, and uses extra space for the hashmap.